Here I have Motorola Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, then tap open camera, while using the app, allow, and now let's find some QR code, for example this one, and scan it with our camera. And as you can see, as soon as it spots QR code, it shows us the page, the address to the web page, which is being encoded to this QR code. We can open it by tapping on it and see what's being encoded here. So yeah, that's how you can scan any QR code with your Motorola. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.